Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a story on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you will need an iPhone, an Instagram account, the Instagram application. Make sure you are signed into the account, and now we can move to the home page and then swipe left. And now we can choose a photo that we have. We can either swipe up to choose a photo, or we can take a photo and then use text by clicking on the screen. I'll just say this is my first hashtag IG story. Couple of dots and then maybe some emojis. And then we can change the background of the text too by clicking on the A on the left top corner. And now we can send to your story. Done. Go to your profile. Go to the IG story that we just sent 16 seconds ago. And that's how you post an IG story to Instagram using your iPhone. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.